earning between $9,000 and $22,000 every single month. And then what if I told you someone uploaded just 18 videos and hit 150,000 subscribers, and their most popular video got 7.6 million views, posted just 2 months ago, no 3D animation, no fancy editing, just simple images, and every single AI tool they use 100% free, unlimited. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Main script, when I opened that channel and actually watched the videos, I was shocked. There was no complex editing, no 3D character animation, just basic images with simple edits. And yet, the results were insane. The best part, every AI tool used in this process is completely free and unlimited. So let's get started. Step 1. Generate your video topics with Claude AI first. Head to the comment section. You'll find a link to the master prompt. Download it, then copy the prompt. Now open Claude AI and paste the prompt. Hit generate. Claude AI will instantly give you 10 topic ideas for your videos. Browse through them and pick the one you like best. For example, I like the third topic, so I selected that one. Step 2. Generate your video script. Now go back to the prompt file and select the second prompt. In the topic box, delete the placeholder text and paste your chosen topic. Copy step 2's prompt, go back to Claude AI and paste it. Then type how many minutes you want your video to be and hit generate. After a short wait, your complete video script will be ready. Copy the entire script and paste it into your Notes app. Step 3. Generate image prompts. So copy the 3D image prompt from the prompt file and paste it into Claude AI. Next, go to the website shown on screen. In the include in every part box, delete the default text and paste your full script. Then hit generate. Claude AI will now create individual image prompts for every part of your script. All your image prompts are now ready. Step 4. Generate images using Flow. The AI, free and unlimited. To create your images for free, we're going to use Flow AI. Search Flow AI on Google, click the first link and log in with your Gmail account. Once you're inside, head back to Claude AI and copy the first image prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and now select Nano Banana 2 as your model. Choose image mode, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Click times 2 and hit generate. After a few moments, your first image will be ready. Let me quickly show you the second image too. Go back to Claude AI, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Flow AI and generate. In about 3 to 4 minutes, your second image will be done. To download, tap on the image, click View Now and download it. I'll now quickly generate all the remaining images the same way. All images are ready. Step 5. Generate AI voiceover. Now we need to create the voiceover. We'll use Google AI Studio, completely free with unlimited voice generation. First, go to your notes and clean up your script. Delete any extra parts or instructions that aren't meant to be spoken. Then, search Google AI Studio on Google, click the first link and log in with Gmail. Once you see the interface, click Get Started, then tap the 3-line menu icon. Here you can browse male and female AI voices and choose your favorite. I'll select a natural sounding male voice. Go back, copy your clean script, paste it into Google AI Studio and click Run. After a short wait, your AI voiceover will be generated.
You look back at who you were and you cringe. The mistakes, the embarrassments, the version of you that you wish never existed.
Completely natural and realistic. Download it. Step 6. Edit your video using CapCut. Free. Open CapCut and tap New Video. Go to your Photos library. Select all your generated images and add them to the timeline. Now to add your voiceover, tap Audio Sounds File Device. If the file doesn't appear, go back to your Files app. Copy the name of your AI voiceover and search for it in CapCut. Once it shows up, add it to your timeline. Next, resize each image slightly to fill the frame. Then, go to the first image. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Zoom in slightly at the end. This creates a smooth zoom animation on every image. Repeat this for all images. And just like that, your video is animated and ready. Preview your video to check how it looks. Looking good.
Look back at who you were and you cringe. The mistakes, the embarrassments, the version of you that you wish never existed. Failure, weak, lost. You've tried to forget that person, bury them, pretend they weren't real. The reflection looks darker, broken. But what if that broken version of you was the most important? The cracked mirror starts glowing at the edges. What if everything you went through had a purpose you couldn't see yet? Rain falls around him, but one small light glows above his head. Pain has a way of teaching what comfort never. The person you are today, they were built.
Export your video in Edit the tab Export in CapCut. Set the following settings. Resolution 1080p frame rate, 30 fps bitrate, high hit export arrow tab, save to device. Arrow, your video will be saved directly to your gallery. Step 7. SEO your video for viral growth. Now let's make the video rank and go viral. Go back to the prompt file and copy the SEO prompt. Paste it into Claude AI. Then on the website shown on screen, scroll up, delete the placeholder text in the box labeled paste your video topic here and paste your video topic. Hit generate. Claude AI will instantly create your video title, text, description. Use these to optimize your video before uploading and maximize your chances of going viral. And that's the complete process. From zero to a fully produced SEO optimized video using 100% free AI tools. If you want to learn how to create educational AI videos, click the card on screen to watch that tutorial next. Drop a comment if this helped you.